Right, I'm going to strip it. Going to try and save the engine. Going to try and save the frame. Going to try and save the swing arm and the subframe. Everything else is junk, except for the tank. That's good. But front suspension, wheels, they've all got to go. If I can find the left side crankcase cover, this engine can be made real good. Compression is great. I'd be doing all the seals, bearings and new top end anyway. But I think I'm gonna give it a go. So worst case scenario, I can clean the engine up, fix it up and then sell that. And I can paint the frame and get that sold. But I think we're going to try and fix this bike, so stay tuned. A little bit of scoring. Just went to undo the swing arm bolt. No need for any tools. Come straight out. No need to worry if you don't have the right socket, because you can just use a fucking mole grip because it's so loose. So the swing arms obviously had some welding done to it, but I think this is going to be fixable to make it better. So we'll get an honest opinion. Well, swing arms off. I think that can be saved. Suspension linkage. That's all good. Just replace the bearings. I'll get this dog bone off now. See what that looks like. Very stubborn bolt on the dog bone. Had to call him back up. Hey?
Nice. Dog bone off.
Success. Seen worse. Not too bad. I think the cylinder will need a replate or bore because there's a few scratches, but hopefully not too bad. That's expected on an old two-stroke. See a bit of damage on the crank. I think the piston got a little bit hot on this side, because we can see on the exhaust pump, just in there, there's a few marks Just about to remove the forks and that will be stripped down. No need for any more tools. Usual trick, use your hand. Who would have thought they actually greased
Even
the
though it's
steering
finger
stem
tight.
bearings? Unbelievable, they actually did something. They didn't quite get it on the bearing, but still. There we have it, bear frame. We've got a bit of work to do. Some dodgy welding going on here. Get those looking like new again. A few bits of the usual rust. Frame rails need a bit of welding. Let's get a closer look at this expansion chamber, because I think this is probably hiding something. This heat wrap. Don't know what's going on here as well. We will not be out the woods yet, I don't think. Let's reveal all. Yeah, here we go. I knew it. Another one to the trash pile. Just don't know how you can treat such a beautiful machine with so much disrespect. So much abuse. Wow. Never seen one so bad before. Wow. That sucks, man. Feels really heavy as well. Perhaps full of carbon inside. Shame. And that mount there is pretty thick. Ugly. And one of the only things that I feel like we've lucked out on is this airbox. Because they destroyed the last one. I'll show you in a minute. But this is in really good condition. So I'm very pleased about that, because these are so rare and hard to find in good nick. So I think the airbox is going to be good. This is the old one that was originally on it, I think. Just full of dodgy repairs. Ugly as sin. Look at this. So I'm really glad that we've got the other one. So yeah, happy days that we got the other one. And the tank is looking okay. Not too bad. There's a few marks, age related. There appears to be this black paint under here, which I need to get off. You can actually buy a brand new one. Is it VMX or something that make them? So I might be tempted to get a new one. But this does work okay. So yeah, happy with that. Alrighty, ready to salvage these hubs. What's left of them anyway. packing up all these bits that need specialist work and take it back to England. Now this is not the original shock, this is a WP. So I'm going to try and find a second-hand original shock. I'm going to get all these nasty bits done. To get the frame rails done. And most of all this subframe, which is just in awful condition. I'm going to get this sorted out. Here is our frame. Bit of a professional home job. Body bag is ready for shipment. See if it makes it.